Hello everyone, welcome back to This Day in Weather. In this series, I'll talk about weather events that occurred in the United States on the same date as the video was posted in years past. Today, that date is February 28th. On this day in 1900, a massive storm produced snow from Kansas to northwest Ohio and southern Michigan from February 27th through March 1st. The observation at the University of Kansas in Lawrence reported 15 inches of snow on the 27th was the second highest ever recorded. The one heavier snowfall that has been recorded for any month was 16 inches on February 11th and 12th, 1894. The Coop near Wamego, Kansas, in the northeast part of the state, a record-breaking 24 inches fell in just 12 hours. Other snowfall totals in Kansas include 19 inches in Abilene, 18.7 inches in Topeka, 18 inches in McPherson, and 18 inches in Ellenwood. Topeka saw 17.3 inches on February 27th, the most recorded in 24 hours. In Missouri, heavy snow fell over a considerable portion of the state on the 27th and 28th. From Bates, Cass, Jackson, and Platte counties in the west to St. Charles, Lincoln, Pike, Rawls, Marion, Lewis, and Clark counties in the east, snowfall ranged from 10 to over 20 inches. The snow drifted severely in many places, and where the fall of snow exceeded 10 inches, railroads were blocked, and county roads rendered impassable for several days. A coop in Darksville in northern Randolph County reported drifts from 6 to 8 feet deep in many places. Houstoniya, Pettis County's drifts were the worst for more than 30 years. Snowfall totals in Missouri include 22 inches in Miami, 20 inches in Richmond, 13.9 inches in Columbia, and 13 inches in Kansas City and Jefferson City. The storm probably gave central and northern parts of Illinois some of the highest snowfall totals since 1830 to 1831. The Coop in Astoria measured an astonishing 37.8 inches with this storm. Coatesburg saw 26 inches. Other snowfall totals include 21 inches near Normal, 17.5 inches in Springfield, and 13 inches near Jacksonville. Heavy snow, freezing rain, and sleet occurred in Indiana from February 28th to March 1st. In South Bend, 16 inches of snow fell, prompting streetcar employees to work all night to keep the tracks open. As a result, railroad traffic was delayed on all lines. Fairmount and Greensburg reported ice and sleet covered the ground on the 28th. Marion and Grant County observed the heaviest sleet storm in many years. Some snowfall amounts include 21 inches in Valparaiso Waterworks, 18 inches in Syracuse, Angola, and Fort Wayne, and 16 inches in South Bend and Huntington. Northwestern Ohio and southern Michigan saw heavy snowfall from February 27th to March 1st. The Coop in Wauseon Water Plant recorded 20.5 inches of snow. Toledo received 20.2 inches. Grape, Michigan, west-northwest of Monroe, said the heavy snow made all roads impassable. Mail could not be delivered from Grape to Monroe due to poorly drifted snow. Some snowfall totals from southern Michigan include 18 inches in Hillsdale, Grape, and Somerset, 14 inches in Detroit, 13 inches in Lansing, and 12 inches in Kalamazoo. On this day in 1952, a powerful nor'easter hit Cape Cod with winds of 70 to 80 miles per hour and snowfall amounts of 12 to 20 inches. These conditions created 12 feet drifts. On this day in 1962, Wilmington, North Carolina saw its highest temperature ever recorded for the month of February, a record high of 85 degrees. That will do it for this edition of This Day in Weather, but be sure to stay tuned in because every time there's a new video, you will learn about weather events that occurred in the United States on the date the video was posted in years past. Please hit the thumbs up button to like this video, and please hit the subscribe button to be sure to never miss a new video.